PC Platinum is designed to provide IBP customers with the power you need, when you need it, all for one flat monthly price. When you become a PC Platinum customer, IBP supplies you with certified Deca batteries operating at 90 to 100% of their rated capacity. We replace each battery with a new unit every 24 to 36 months, depending on the application, so you always have reliable power. The flat monthly price includes regularly scheduled maintenance, performed by our professional service technicians. There are no contracts or long-term obligations. You can return the batteries at any time for any reason. With PC Platinum, IBP owns the equipment and performs all the maintenance. Our PowerCare Gold, Silver, and Bronze programs complement PC Platinum and include services we perform on customer-owned equipment. Customers often ask, is PC Platinum a lease? Well, let's walk through the differences. When you lease batteries, you sign a legal contract making a long-term commitment. Leased equipment is considered a capital expenditure for financial reporting purposes. A lease locks you into using a fixed quantity of serialized batteries for the duration of the lease, which is typically 5 years. When you lease batteries, you are responsible for all maintenance and repair costs. And lastly, leased batteries normally include additional fees for exceeding usage limits. PC Platinum is most certainly not a lease. PC Platinum is month to month. You may return the equipment at any time for any reason. Under PC Platinum, the monthly battery costs are classified as an operating expense, like rental equipment, not a capital expense to be depreciated. You may increase or decrease the quantity of PC Platinum batteries at any time to meet changing operational demands. PC Platinum includes regularly scheduled maintenance. There are no excess usage charges for PC Platinum batteries. And remember, each battery is replaced every 24 to 36 months, depending on the application, to ensure the highest capacity and performance. IBP performs a comprehensive evaluation of your fleet and its application to ensure PC Platinum is a good fit for you. You can start out with just a portion of your fleet, allowing you to test drive the program. Our fleet evaluation summary gives an overview of the quantities and ages of the batteries in your existing fleet. The Fleet Condition Report helps you make informed decisions about which batteries to repair and which to replace, based on their age and condition. We identify old and underperforming batteries, which are prime candidates to replace with PC Platinum batteries. We recommend that you continue using your newest and strongest performing batteries for the remainder of their useful life. Enrolling them in PowerCare Gold provides the same level of service for your entire fleet. In subsequent years, batteries that reach the end of their useful life are replaced with PC Platinum batteries. When PC Platinum batteries reach their 36-month mark, they are replaced with new PC Platinum batteries. Once all your remaining batteries have reached the end of their useful life and are replaced with PC Platinum batteries, you are out of the battery business for good. PC Platinum services include regularly scheduled watering to keep the batteries running at top capacity. Also included are routine inspections, battery cleaning, and data downloads to ensure equipment is performing as expected. Safety repairs are performed immediately by our knowledgeable and skilled technicians to keep your employees safe. DC cable insulation, DC connectors, and safety shrouds are included. Replacement of parts due to normal wear and tear is also included. However, abuse, accidental damage, and excessive wear and tear are not. PC Platinum services maximize your equipment's uptime to boost productivity. You may wonder what your options are for chargers. You do not need to replace your entire charger fleet. Approved chargers can be used with PC Platinum batteries. When performing the fleet survey, we verify that the chargers are properly sized and in good working order. If any chargers are found to be inadequate, we will recommend energy-saving, high-frequency smart chargers. Chargers have an expected useful life of up to 10 years and do not require replacement as frequently as batteries. Therefore, you may want to purchase new chargers outright. Customer-owned chargers, both new and existing, can be enrolled in PowerCare Gold. Chargers can also be supplied through the PC Platinum program. PC Platinum chargers are replaced at the 6-year mark, 4 years before the end of their estimated life expectancy. PC Platinum chargers offer the same flexibility as PC Platinum batteries. You can increase or decrease charger quantities and return them at any time for any reason. All PC Platinum chargers are energy-saving, high-frequency smart chargers. In conclusion, PC Platinum includes high-quality Deca batteries under 36 months old. Anytime a PC Platinum battery is not performing to its capacity, IBP replaces it. Professional maintenance and repairs are included with all PC Platinum batteries. Customers need not worry about warranty terms and conditions. IBP takes care of everything. There is no contract. You may increase or decrease battery quantities at any time. IBP's PC Platinum program is designed to provide our customers with power security, the confidence your fleet will always have power, allowing you to get out of the battery business and focus on what you do best.